How to clear data in Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily clear out your data in Telegram app. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below on the video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon if you'd like to get notified about future uploads. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up your Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. So from here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left and then head over to your settings menu. And once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to find your settings menu, and then from here, you're going to head over to data and storage. Then you will see your storage users right here on top, so simply go ahead and tap on it. You'll be able to see all of your storage users from here. So if you want to clear cache from your Telegram or any of your data that is shown right here, you could do that from here. And you could also select a cache size for your maximum cache size. And then you can have different chats and media that is sorted right here for you. So all you're going to have to do is tap on clear cache and it will show you the amount of cache you have on your Telegram storage. Click on clear cache and then you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.